Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular AMD processors that have been making waves in the tech world. We have the Ryzen 7 5700G and the Ryzen 5 5600. So, if you're a gamer or in need of high-performing processors, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. When it comes to gaming performance, the Ryzen 7 5700G takes the lead. With its fastest processor graphics in the world, you can play some of the most popular games at 1080p without a graphics card. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 5600 can deliver fast 100+ FPS performance but requires a discrete graphics card. Both processors offer great processing power, but the Ryzen 7 5700G comes with 8 cores and 16 processing threads compared to the Ryzen 5 5600, which has 6 cores and 12 processing threads. However, the Ryzen 5 5600 has a higher cache memory of 35 megabytes as opposed to 20 megabytes on the Ryzen 7 5700G. Both processors are unlocked for overclocking, allowing you to push them to their limits. The Ryzen 7 5700G has a max boost clock of 4.6 GHz, while the Ryzen 5 5600 has a slightly lower clock speed of 4.4 GHz. However, the Ryzen 5 5600 supports PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards, giving you faster data transfer speeds compared to the Ryzen 7 5700G. When it comes to price, the Ryzen 5 5600 takes the win with a price of $139 compared to the Ryzen 7 5700G, which is priced at $178. However, it's important to note that the Ryzen 7 5700G does not require a discrete graphics card, which can save you money in the long run. That's all for today's video, guys. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision on which processor to buy. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.